Are you tired of dull, lifeless skin? Hi all, welcome to Aruru Naturals. In this video, we'll explore DIY skin brightening scrubs you can make at home. Let's dive into why these scrubs work. They use natural ingredients to exfoliate and rejuvenate. Step 1 is gathering your ingredients. You'll need sugar, honey, lemon juice, and coconut oil. Next, take a bowl and mix in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to your sugar. Honey hydrates and adds moisture. Now squeeze half a lemon into the mixture. Lemon brightens an even skin tone. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This nourishes and softens the skin. Your scrub is ready. To use, gently massage the scrub onto damp skin. Focus on areas that need extra brightness. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. You're on your way to brighter skin. Let's talk about why this scrub is effective. Sugar exfoliates, removing dead skin cells. Honey hydrates, while lemon brightens. Coconut oil acts as a moisturizer, promoting soft skin. These natural ingredients work together for glowing results. Using scrubs 2 to 3 times a week will yield the best effects. Imagine walking outside, feeling confident in your skin's radiance. Remember, consistency is key for lasting brightness. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. Share your experience in the comments below.